In this tutorial, you will learn how to write your first Java program. So I'll be using the IntelliJ IDE, but feel free to use any other IDE of your choice. So let's create a new project. Give it a name and create. So we have a project ready. Let's create a new class, Java class. We will now add a main method. And here we can write our program. Let's print out something to the console. So here is our output. You can also run this file on the terminal. Type javac main.java to compile the file. Enter. And then type java class path main to run the class. You can see we got the same output as before. Thank you for watching.